Hey, so I want to share some network marketing and affiliate marketing tips with you to build your business online and start getting results immediately. If you don't know who I am, Gio Gianta, and a couple years back, I was $87,000 in debt. I didn't know what I was going to do. I was stressed, depressed, and I just wanted a way out. I wanted somebody to actually show me how I needed to make a difference and make changes in my life. So then I came across some mentors that actually showed me how to build my business online. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And, because these mentors showed me exactly how to build my business online using tools, I've been able to change the way that I do, business and be able to actually, get results. And, I want to share some of those results with you. If you see, that I had a sale come in, yesterday, and then there's some that came in there, then there's some that came in at 5:55, a.m. today. So, this really does work, and when you have a good system in place, then you'll start to actually get results. And is what people need is, if they're building a business online, is they need a way to retain their traffic, retain those people that have an interest, right? So you're retaining emails, right? So they come to a capture page, they put their email in, and it takes them to a sales page. On the sales page, they get to see a video like the one that you're seeing in front of me right now. And then there's a button to where they could actually sign up, right? And if they sign up, there could be another page which is actually an upsell where they could buy something else. And if they don't sign up, then you could offer something else at a lower cost, right? But still at the same value. That's called a downsell, right? So you're going to learn about all of this in this whole platform. This whole website was built off of these funnel builder tools that I'm going to show you right now. So when you get started, you're going to learn how to set up your domain, how to get started, and how to actually build out any business. You're going to join the private community to where you could get support and training. And when you set up your domain, you're going to have an autoresponder attached to it. So that way, people get the follow-up emails when they opt in, which means they put their email in, they'll get an email from you, right? So that's how you basically build an audience, build a relationship with your email list. Your email list is one of the assets that you use to build your audience out. And then you're going to learn how to actually create custom funnel pages. You're going to learn how to optimize for mobile. You're going to learn how to do custom tracking codes, so you know your numbers, you know your stats. You're going to learn how to do URL redirects. You're going to learn how to actually do, exit pop-ups. So if somebody tries to close out of the browser, they're going to get a message saying, no, wait, there's more. So that's what an exit pop is. And then you're also going to know how to actually do share funnels. You're going to know how to actually sell your own products. You're going to learn how to do, upsells and downsells. And like I was saying, as a marketer, selling your own products is very important. And you're going to need like a membership site or something to host your stuff on. So with that being said, you could actually build out a membership site that hosts everything that you do. And then you're going to know how to do video hosting. You're going to know how to actually, create your pages. You're going to know how to, book your appointments. You're going to know how to create graphics. You're going to also learn how to split test, which means when you have, traffic, coming to your pages, it's what pages convert the best. And they do that by the text on the pages. You're going to want to see your numbers, and then you're going to want to know how to actually, get better emails and have better, open rates and everything like that. So in here has email tips. And then also you're going to learn how to actually do different things like, building out your own website. And then you're going to be able to get training as well, right? And this whole system for this whole thing that this website was built off of, it's only $25 a month and you get a $20 commission. So the company only keeps $5 and you could build out a whole entire site just like the one that you're seeing with this, right? I wanted more though. I wanted to make more money, so I upgraded to the traffic and conversion portion, which actually gives you a $100 commission. And you learn all about, traffic and conversion. So when you get started with this, you're going to learn about, mindset. You're going to learn about how to actually, tap into your target market, which means who you're actually targeting. You're going to learn how to create a lead magnet, which is what you give away for free in exchange for somebody's email. So it might be a giveaway. It might be an ebook. It might be something like that. So you're going to learn how to create that within this system. And then to get, traffic, there's free methods and there's paid methods. For the free methods, you're going to learn how to launch your business. You're going to learn how to invite people. You're going to learn how to actually follow up with them. Then you're going to learn how to get free leads to Facebook. You're going to learn how to blog for your business. You're going to learn how to rank your videos on YouTube, which is why you see my videos in the top of the search engines on YouTube. So that way you could start getting, traffic and people to see this offer. You're going to learn how to actually podcast, which is like a radio show. If you want to learn how to you don't have to learn all these, by the way, but you can learn how to podcast like a radio show. And then you could also learn, how to recruit on LinkedIn or get people on LinkedIn and who have an interest. And then you're going to also learn Facebook methods, free methods, live mastery. So you're going to learn how to do Facebook Lives the right way. And you're going to also learn paid advertising, right? And you're going to learn how to actually do a launch. That's when you give value on the front end and sell on the back end, right? And it's a launch. And then you're going to learn the paid methods. The paid methods are, wow, they just added, text messaging. They just added that just recently, just today. And then there's also solo ad training, Facebook ads, and Facebook video ads. So they're constantly updating this this platform. The video I created earlier didn't have this portion right here. This is new right here, actually. And then they have sales and conversions. So to get sales, you're going to learn the 13-point conversion formula. You're going to learn how to actually close your leads. You're going to learn how to convert them into sales, into somebody who's going to actually buy from you. Then you're going to learn how to actually onboard somebody the right way. And then if you have any questions, you can always get live coaching. They have live coaching by Zoom. They have a Monday night mastermind, which is where everybody gets on live face-to-face by Zoom, and there's over 70 people on the call, and they share what they're doing in their business to actually get results. And you could be a part of that and ask questions and get all your questions answered. They also have a daily Grow Rich call at 9 a.m. Monday through Friday, and that works on mindset. And then they also have a Take Action mastermind where the owners of the company actually go over the shoulder and show you what they do in their business to actually get results. So that's really, really cool because you could see it firsthand and it's over the shoulder, right? And then they also have Done For You training. The Done For You training is different things that you can learn as well. And then they also have Done For You funnels. The Done For You funnels are something that you can get up and start getting together immediately and start getting results. So it really helps when you're able to, get results immediately. And then so you have your funnel set up now. You're starting to get traffic and you're starting to make sales. So you need to know how to manage your business the right way. So they have the Financial Literacy Academy, which is a one-time buy and you get a $400 commission from it. So you have the potential to make over $500 per sign up in this opportunity. You can make over $500, which is amazing. And this course right here teaches you all about your business and how to manage it. So you're going to learn about financial literacy, and you're going to learn how to eliminate your debt, and you're going to learn how to reduce your taxes and plan for retirement, and also how to keep your records together, right? So if you want to retire, if you want to actually be able to keep more of your money and not have to give it away in taxes, and this is going to show you what to actually do. And when you start making money, you have to invest your money or it's going to be taken in taxes, right? So there's investment strategies right here, and it deals with property, how to avoid scams, how to invest, how to actually car flip, house flip, mobile homes, also asset protection, and how to actually manage property in a stress-free way, which is really, really cool. They have these methods which will really help you to actually build and grow your business. So what I'm going to offer you is actually, if you get started with me today and click on the link below this video, is what I'm going to actually do is help you to get at least 1,000 people to see this opportunity per month. But you have to get all in, and you have to show me that you're serious. So when you get all in, I'm going to show you how to get at least 1,000 people per month to see this opportunity, and you'll be able to use that as an incentive to get people to sign up with you, right? So yeah, click on the link below this video and get started today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I also have my Facebook group in the description as well. It's a free group. You can get in there and start learning and start connecting with me and also the members in the group. And also you'll be able to actually grow your business from that group as well, right? So it's very good to be a part of a great community, and this definitely has the community for you, and I'm here to help. So make sure you click on the link below this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. All right, talk to you soon.